Hello everyone, welcome to this Android app called Smart Consultant for organizing the operations of the medical professionals. Uh, on the left we have add surgery, add IPD and add OPD screens. All three will have different fields but serve the same purpose of adding the respective services. Let me just go to add IPD. I'll just add the name of the patient. Hospital and clinic is a autocomplete field, so just I type Li and Leelavati will automatically show up. All the other fields are optional, and hence I'll just enter a few which are I really require. For example, the age is 65 years, and ward number of ward name of the patient. Let's say I add general ward, and patient was referred by Dr. Sharma, and patient type was a corporate. Again, as you can see, most of these fields are actually autocomplete mode, so as soon as I type the first few alphabets, it is again showing up like your email address in Gmail. I'll just click on save and main now to go back to the main screen. If I want to search a patient, I will just click over here and select all the patients that I've seen appear over here with the location as well as the last service date. So I'll just enter, I'll just select any one of the patients and then click on IPD record, and that particular patient with all the fields that I've entered before will show up. I can just review all the fields and see if any data needs to be changed. For example, in this case, this particular patient ID is missing, and let me add that particular field, and as well as the age, and I'll just click on save and main. So if the patient is found, it will just take 10 seconds flat, but in case I don't feel like typing anything on a busy day, I can always record the IPD OPD surgery, which is the three buttons on the right side. So let's say I record an OPD, I select a location, it will Hinduja is a location, and once I do that, it will actually show me. I'll just click on the red button and actually voice record the details of my surgery. I saw patient Tarun Lalan, and he had a fracture in his hand, referred to Bhima Suvancho doctor, and he was in general ward or whatever. Once I do that, the audio record along with other data will be synced onto the server to be reconciled later on. The setup screen is where I can actually sync the data manually in case the automatic syncing, I cannot wait for that and I need to actually review the record on the server right away. I click on start syncing. Well, in this case the app is not registered yet, so I need to actually go to smarthumanoid.com, register the app, get user ID and password, and then pay up the appropriate fees for the same, and then actually go into this login screen, enter the username and password only for the first time. Every time else you will be authenticated, it will not bother you for the password multiple times. That also reminds reminder to you to actually safeguard your phone and lock the access to your phone. Once you do that, it will sync automatically, and then there is this manage list where you can actually have each of the lists that are there in the autocomplete mode onto your phone showing up over here, and you can actually go into any of the lists. For example, I've gone into let's say patient type, so any of the lists that you go to, you can actually review it, and you can add or delete any of the lists. You can delete it by clicking on the minus sign over here, or you can add it using the plus sign over there. So this is it for the overview of the app. Thank you.